another video on the channel. Today's video we are going for hiking, right? It's my first time doing this. I haven't tried it before, so yeah, I'm very desperate and I hope it's gonna be fun. Okay, so today's video, that's what you guys are gonna see. I'm going for a hiking, and probably it's gonna be we're gonna walk to this waterfall, so probably maybe I might take some bath, I don't know, but yeah, that's it. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Vai falar alguma coisa?
No.
No.
I don't speak English.
You don't speak English. And you say hi to my YouTube fans.
Hello, YouTuber. Hello, Prince friend from YouTube.
Yeah. So we're getting started.
Hello, everybody.
Yeah, so adaptation was a bit difficult. So I had some friends from Ghana who already lived here, so they actually helped me to adapt. So it was a bit okay, but with the aspect of the language, it was a bit difficult, you know, because exactly.
We're looking for. So we can find probably a great variety of fans.
Yeah.
And you will find them.
Already.
This area, and it was really high. One of the easiest
So, how many kilometers? I think it's 3 kilometers.
normal.
He's already tight. The cameraman is already tight.
It's a very good rock and roll.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
The perfect spot.
Picture. So guys, I'm actually liking it so far. I don't know how many kilometers we've done already, but it's a lot of go down, up, down, up, down, up. Yeah, I'm just excited. I can't wait to see the waterfall. Let's look at that. Beautiful, isn't it? Very beautiful. This is nature at its finest. Don't forget to scream. Hey. This is my first time, so I'm very excited. I actually wanna try other ones.
It's gonna be a short one, a easy one,
Yeah.
but there are more
Hard
more
ones,
difficult
yeah.
ones, and definitely the view is way better. But for starters,
Yeah,
that's
it's
a
my
good way
first
for it
time.
to get it.
Yeah, exactly.
There's a group in Santa Maria called Eco Trekking. Eco Trekking, they do this every week, two
Wow.
times a week, once on the weekend.
Amazing. I would love that. I mean, it would be a nice hobby going for hiking.
Stress relief, stress-free activity.
Exactly.
How should we promote this idea every weekend?
We should.
Yeah, I think so. Do some like picnic or hike. Is it the water or someone who's rolling down?
Rolling down the Do you think it's easier to go down or come up?
I think it's easier going down. Yeah. What do you think?
Well, for the knees, for my knees,
Yeah.
it's easier to come up than going down.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
So it actually depends on your needs. But I thought
Because you need
climbing-
more, you need to be stronger when you go down than when you use different muscles, you know?
Yeah.
There are how many viewers so far? Eu sou condutor também.
Ah, tá explicado.
Correu. Tivemos uma baixa, uma deslizada, que sobe.
É culpa do tênis.
It's my mother's slippers. Mine were like awful.
Não tem mais.
Ah, good for some water. No time for water. I put some everything inside the water.
YouTube failed me. Advertising.
Fica aí, né? Fica parada.
Calma. Peraí que eu tô horrorosa. Soltar esse cabelo. Respirar e voltar a ser gente.
This is amazing. I'm liking it. I can do this all day. The rocks know they help.
Vai, nice.
I'll tell you. It'd be nice.
He left there like at the come run.
For where? For here. We made it!
Claro, eu vim até aqui. É que eu gosto muito de cachoeira, já que eu vim até aqui, porque pelo menos eu tô na cachoeira. Eu também.
Isso aí, então vai, duas. Eu boto o pezinho.
Mas eu entendo quem não gosta de água gelada, né? É que eu gosto de água gelada.
Princess!
Não, nós vamos pra lá.
Vai! Vem! Não, pelo menos ali, a bermuda seca rápido. Vai! Bermuda seca rápido. Deixa o Vanessa, 10 horas. Vai, olha! Tira e joga. Tira e joga, entendeu? Isso.
The water is
Não pensa no frio, não pensa no frio, não pensa.
Mas que é frio,
Dá um mergulho, molha a cabeça que depois tu passa.
So I finally entered.
Why you no swim go there? Huh? Why you no swim go there?
You knew swimming.
Hey.
You know swim. I wouldn't recommend doing that. No, I just want to stand there and take a picture, that's all. Okay.
Consegue ficar mais um pouco assim, né?
So we are going back. It was awesome. I'm definitely doing this again. I'm definitely going for another hike. This isn't really difficult. 3 kilometers coming and another 3 going back. So yeah, it was actually fun. Like I said, I'm definitely doing this again. So yeah, right now we're just gonna go upstairs, have some beer to drink, and yeah, that'll be it for the day.
Aquela minha colega do yoga, né? E aí, as gatas também estavam tudo aqui
Alguma coisa mudou de posição.
Bem isso.
So here.
Ah, sim. Vou tirar essa. Bem aqui. Nem cansou, né? É, no gatinho. Laço. Sabe um negócio que agora vai ter assim? Seja isso? Ah, tá. Não tem essas coisas assim que nem não, não tem. Até hoje não fiz. Só mais ou menos. Ai, aqui agora a coisa.
Essa pedra aqui tá.
Aham, tem. Solta. Ficar perto.
Uhul. Guys, so here is where I end the video. As you guys have seen, it was very fun. Okay, so right now we are at a brewery, right? I came here some other time ago. I don't know if you guys watched that video, but I can still go back and watch it. The link is up here. So yeah, that'll be it for today. We're gonna have some drink, eat something probably, and yeah. So thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Conversation,